Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix reel upload stuck in Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you have uploaded a reel, but you're facing the issue that your reel upload has been stuck, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try is simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. I'm gonna open it in my browser here. Now, once you are here, just click on your Facebook profile to open your profile or to access your profile. And once you are here, if you have uploaded an app, let's say I'm gonna upload it and reel here, just click on reel, click on upload, and just select the reel you want to upload. So, for example, I'm gonna select this one, click on next,
His name
and
is
next. Now,
Victor
if you are seeing
Werner
this type of
Von Doom.
interface like you are unable to post it because reel is uploading, so you can try to refresh your page. Just click on refresh. And once you have refreshed, now you can retry to upload your post. If it's still not working, so you can try to check out your network connection. If your network is working well, because sometimes it might be your network issue, your network is not strong or is not stable, so you might get these type issues. So the very first you have to fix your network, and then you have to retry to upload your post. Or you can also try to completely close Facebook app and then retry to open it, or you can do the same thing with your Facebook in the browser. Just open Facebook in a new tab and close the first one. Now you have to retry to upload your reel, and this time you might not get that issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.